Welcome to CloserConnect. CloserConnect is a super fast and easy way to send files or videos of any size to your clients or prospects posted on a customized, personalized portal that you create just for them in under 2 minutes. I'm going to take the next few minutes to show you how you can quickly start using CloserConnect to connect to your customers in a whole new way. First, select New Project and name it. You can also clone an existing project by clicking here. Let's start a new one. Choose any template. You can always change it later. Each template comes with their own background, but you can add your own custom background by clicking here and uploading a new image. We recommend using a large, high-quality image for the best results. You can also add a logo or graphic here. Browse and select it, or drag and drop. You can size it however you want, and when you're done, it will appear preloaded in all of your future projects to save you time. We also have a section over here for adding your contact information, which will also be automatically filled in for your future projects. Next, we'll name our project and style it to match the theme of our page. You can also add a personal message for your prospect or client, like a thank you note or important information about what's on your page. Now, start adding your proposals, your documents, your graphics, videos, any digital content. Browse and select, or drag and drop. After adding it for the first time, it will automatically appear in your cloud account and can be added into any other project. You can always rename anything you add to your page and style the text however you want. You can also add a link to other websites or link to another CloserConnect project. If you have a lot of mixed content you want to add, headers are a great way to organize your page. When you're ready to go, click Preview to see it in action. CloserConnect pages are fully responsive and can be viewed on desktops, laptops, tablets, and phones. If it looks good to go, click Share to send it out. You can keep it as a public page, lock it with a password, or send out a secure invite via email. You can edit and personalize the invite email by going here. When they receive the invite email, there will be a link to your page and a unique passcode to log in. And you can be notified as soon as they look at it. Want more details? Click on Analytics and you'll see the day it was viewed, how many people viewed it, what they looked at, and whether anything was downloaded. You can prevent people from downloading any resource by going back to Share and clicking here. And you can allow people to upload files by clicking here to enable file sharing. Now anyone with access to my page can upload their own files with ease. So that's it. Give it a try. You can use it for free and create up to 5 unique pages. If you need more, we have a basic plan at $9.99 per month for up to 25 pages and $19.99 per month for up to 50 pages. If you have any questions, please visit our website or contact us at info@closerconnect.com. Thank you very much for your time, and we hope you enjoy using CloserConnect.